Okay, so I've got a clogged bathtub, and maybe you have one, and I'll show you how to clean and fix it out. What you're going to need is you're going to need a snake like this. This is a rigid quick spin, and basically works by when you spin it, it actually either retracts or it expands the pipe or the whole strand of cable, so it comes out, and you control it with this little red button down here. So like that, it extends out. And so I'm basically going to use this and point it right into the drain. And eventually it will make its way in there, and you can already slightly hear it draining a little bit better. You can Now, as I keep doing that, I'll go in there and clean it out. It sounds like I've got most of it. It's probably all just hair. And at this point, I can probably just start backing it back out. I think that's the wrong way, so I'm actually gonna try pulling it out. And there you are. Look at all this disgusting crap. Oh, isn't that gross? That's basically it. It's going to just drain out because we got the clog now. But you should probably use something like this to clear bathtubs instead of using any sort of chemical. When you use the chemical, sometimes the chemical can back up, or it can stay on the surface and it won't really drain as well, or maybe it'll just drain a little bit of the clog, just enough to get the water through, and then it ends up just evacuating out the chemical. But when you actually use the snake like this, you can get a lot of the clog out instead of just burning out just a little section of it. So anyway, hope this helps everyone out.